Hey everybody, welcome to White Family Farm. I'm doing a little update video just to show you my progress that I have going on in the basement. And then I also wanted to do a little chick cam. So come with me and we'll take a closer look. These are the babies. I know it's been like a week since you've seen them all, and some of them are hiding under the plate. Look how big they're getting. So it's been a few days since I've showed you any progress on my starts. So let me go ahead and get the camera in there and show you exactly what we have going on. Plus I've been sick. I don't know if you could tell in this video, but I'm still kind of sick. So I wanted to just see the progress of my stevia and my begonias and see what's going on there. I don't think I have anything germinating as of yet, but let's take a look at the onions and the other items that we have planted. And this is completely my fault. When I come down here, I don't bring my tripod with me, but I do have a garden sprayer, and I just come down here maybe once or twice a day and just kind of spritz these depending on how dry they get. We have a dehumidifier down here that we cannot unplug because it is the basement. So I come down here and spritz the trays down and just make sure they have enough water. Now, this is my stevia, and I believe that I have, I don't know if you can tell because there's not enough light, but right there is one of the seeds, and I believe it's sprouting. So that is super exciting to me. And when I planted these, I just lightly planted on top. I barely put them in the dirt. I also planted 2 seeds per these pods. I do not see any begonias as of yet, but it does take a while to even germinate. But I'm excited about this seed. Let me pull back a little bit. This seed right here, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm excited. I think it's sprouting. So let's hope that I get some stevia out of this. If not, I'm gonna buy some at the greenhouse because everybody tells me how hard it is to get this stuff started. So I got them on a heat mat, and I got the light really close to them as well. So I'm just gonna put those back underneath that heat mat and under the light. What do we have going on over here? We reuse our trays 100% because they're really super expensive. So these are my onions. Now I showed you these the other day, and the reason why we've been reusing our trays, one, is because they're super expensive, and since we did that, we noticed that we had a hole in the bottom, so we took the plastic part, like the dome part, and placed it underneath. I don't know if you can see right here, and so it could catch the water. But look at this. These are the Weatherfield. These are the Stuttgarter. You can see those. These are the Elsa Craig. These are supposed to be like one of the biggest onions. So we have, look at that, tons of those. And those will be ready to plant. We're gonna take care of these. We're gonna let, it's kind of, like I said, it's like Gladiator. You make sure that only the strongest survive here, and then you plant them. But it looks like all of them sprouted and all of them popped up, so that's super great. So I'm putting these back under the light. See, and then we still got water trail even with that, but we're trying here. And then these are our Brussels sprouts. Now, we chitted these and they popped up, and you will not believe, look at this, check this out. This is so exciting to me because I love plants. And take a look at that. Trying to get in here. That's a Brussels sprout. Let me back it up just a hair too, so I'm not like completely making you sick by the closeness of this. But that's a Brussels sprout too. Yeah. So I chitted these, and they are sprouting, and they're doing wonderful. Now, I know there's something in here, and you could, like, that's how you can tell if this dirt, this looks bad. This is, like, really dry. So, these, however, are not. That's not either. Like, you can tell if you just tap these. So, I'm going to spritz. Just spritz. I'm not going to water the top of this. Just spritz it. Okay, and that's pretty much it, guys. I started these not even very long ago, and you can already tell they're doing great. And I'm really excited about the progress, and to see that sprout on that stevia has made me super excited about that, because the stevia from Baker Creek is a little bit different than some of the stevia that I had actually been watching online. And the stevia that you see online almost look like marigold. I don't know if you've ever planted marigolds, but they're like real strawy. They look like straw. Here, they put those little pellets on there so that they protect the seed. It's basically like a clay that goes over top the seed. So I planted those, and I'm really, really happy that I saw some progress on that stevia. The begonias, I don't know, but I took a risk there. The seeds didn't cost that much. Now, I still have some other seeds from parkseeds.com that I had ordered that were a little more expensive. Those were impatiens and petunias, and I'm going to try and grow those here soon, but they don't take near as long as the begonias. So I was waiting a little bit to plant those. But yeah, you have to baby your plants. If you want progress, you have to baby them a little bit, and that's what I've been doing. And before too long, these plants will actually be put in our greenhouse. So we're going to set them out there and have them get strong by the light of the greenhouse. There is a lot of transition that you have to do when you transition plants from the greenhouse to outside and stuff like that. And we will show you in more videos to come about how we do that. But you cannot just stick your plants outside. So they can succumb to like sunburn, and some of them can get so burnt up that they won't do anything at all. So we will show you in more videos to come how we do that and the progress and stuff. I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm really excited about that stevia. This is the first time I've been down here in a couple days because I've been sick. My husband's been taking care of the plants. And so, yeah, I'm not having trouble breathing, but I'm just kind of like, kind of foggy. So, but we're doing okay. I can get through this. I've just been drinking a lot and drinking a lot of soup and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a ton more videos this year. That is our goal. Besides Shed Wars, we're just going to start pushing the content, and we're going to have a lot of good content because I have a lot of good ideas and a lot of good stuff for my garden this year. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, and we will see you next video. Thanks for watching.